This is a story about geography. Well, meteorology to be exact. It's about water, sunshine, clouds, and rain. It's a story about waking up and going to sleep, and partying during the time in between. So listen closely. The following takes place on a dark and cold night, somewhere in a country close to the equator. In this country, there's a very small lake. And in this very small lake, there live about 35 tiny little water molecules that are fast asleep. At sunrise, the sun's rays begin to warm up the Earth's surface, and the tiny water molecules as well. The water molecules, still a bit sleepy, get warmer and warmer until they evaporate and start to ascend towards the sky. Now, at last, the water molecules have escaped from their pond, and this calls for a big celebration. Now, they have enough room so they can start to dance. And so, a party is born. But as they travel up into the atmosphere, the air surrounding them becomes colder and colder. And as it gets chillier, the water molecules soon lose their interest in dancing. As a matter of fact, they stop dancing altogether, and they look at each other in total distress. "Oh no," the water molecules shout. "It's getting very, very cold." So, there's only one thing left to do for the water molecules: to cuddle up into each other so they can keep themselves warm. But as they hug each other, the water molecules soon become droplets, and all of their neighboring molecules form droplets as well. Quickly, a big cloud becomes to form into the atmosphere. And as the droplets get bigger and bigger, they become heavier and heavier until they start to fall down. And what do we end up with? A rain shower. And once again, the water molecules find themselves fast asleep in their very small lake, waiting for the sun to rise the next day, waiting for another day of partying and cuddling. The end.